Hello everyone, welcome to the Lux Fiat channel, Billy here, and today we're going to be showing you how you can set up your own Solana wallet with Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so my favorite thing about Phantom Wallet is it's very easy to set up. So what you want to do is you want to go straight to Google Chrome or Brave or whichever browser you do and it supports extensions, and type Phantom Wallet. And once you get there, go ahead and click on phantom.app. First off, you'll see add to Chrome. Immediately click that. It'll bring you to this Chrome web store, and now you want to add to Chrome. Add extension. And then it'll download and then add it to Chrome, and once that happens, what you want to do is first go to this puzzle piece on Chrome, click it, and go to pin. You can also do this if you have Metamask. We'll do that for sake of tutorial. And now you have it pinned up here, so it's easy access. See? So now we'll get into creating the wallet. And first off, obviously you want to go to create new wallet. Once you do that, it'll give you your secret recovery phrase. You want to save this in a secure area because this is your wallet. This is where everything goes. This is how you get into it if you lose it. This is how you recover your funds. Make sure you securely save this. So go ahead and copy that. Hit OK, I saved it somewhere. And now create your password. For tutorial purposes, I'll do a test password. Once you do that, agree to terms of service and save. After that, you're already done. Click finish. Now, since you pinned it up here, you can just click on Phantom again. It'll open your wallet and you can continue to send, receive, buy NFTs, anything you would like. So yeah guys, it's really that simple to create a Solana wallet with Phantom. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this informative. If you did, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.